Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare prawns with bitter gourd. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are: this is half a kilo of bitter gourd. I have nicely washed it, removed the seeds and then have sliced them like this. 400 grams of prawn, nicely clean and deshelled. 1 big tomato, roughly chopped. Turmeric powder, I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon. Salt as per our taste. Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon. I'll be preparing my recipe in mustard oil. Onion, 2 medium-sized onion sliced. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, little bit of chili flakes, and 3 dried red chilies. If you don't want it too spicy, you can remove these dried red chilies. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So let's get started. The first step that we are going to do, we are going to marinate these prawns with a pinch of turmeric powder, little bit of salt and little bit of red chili powder. Friends, this is Kashmiri red chili powder that I am using. And now I am going to mix this. Now I am going to fry them. So I will heat oil in a karhai. In a karhai I have taken near about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and it's heated. Now I am going to fry these prawns. Lower the flame, friends, when you are adding the prawns to the karhai. I'll fry them till they become golden in color. Prawns are fried, friends. So I'll remove it from the oil. Here I have removed the prawns from the hot oil, friends. And now I'm going to add these onion and the dried red chilies. I have broken them into half. I'm going to add this to the same oil in which we have fried the prawns. We'll fry the onion till it becomes slightly cooked or changes its color a bit. Our onions are fried. As you can see, friends, it's almost cooked. Now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. Lower the flame, saute the ginger garlic paste for a minute. Once the raw smell disappears, we will add the we'll add the coriander powder, cumin powder and the chili flakes. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears, we will add the chopped tomatoes, we will also add the Kashmiri red chili powder, We'll add a little bit of turmeric powder and salt. Now we are going to saute this and cook the spices. If required, friends, you can also add a tablespoon of water so that the spices don't get burnt. We'll just add a tablespoon of water. That's it. Put the flame into medium-high and cook till the tomatoes become nice and soft and the spices are cooked properly. Here is our masala ready, friends. Tomatoes are also nicely cooked. Now we will add the bitter gourd. Put the flame into medium-high. Saute this nicely. Now over a medium flame, friends, after mixing it properly, we will cover it with the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now friends, we'll remove the lid. Saute it once. As you can see, the bitter gourd is nicely mixed with the spices. Now we will cook this like this only over medium flame till our bitter gourds get cooked properly. It's almost cooked but needs to be nicely blended with the spices. After frying it for 3 minutes, as you can see, friends, this bitter gourd started releasing oil. This is the time when we are going to add the prawns to this recipe. Mix it nicely. We will cook this like this over medium flame for 5 more minutes so that the flavor of the bitter gourd goes into the prawn and the flavor of the prawn will mix with the bitter gourd. Now friends, as you can see, the recipe is ready. We'll put off the flame and we will transfer it to the serving bowl. Friends, here is our bitter gourd and prawn recipe ready. Serve this hot with plain boiled rice. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.